Ever wonder why some people always seem broke while others keep getting richer? Let me show you the secret you were never taught in school. Broke people get paid and immediately blow their money on junk, new shoes, fancy coffee, streaming subscriptions. Sound familiar? But the rich, they do something different. Instead of spending first, they pay themselves first. They follow the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, rent, bills, food, 30% for wants, fun, shopping, 20% for investing in savings. This is the key difference. Rich people let their money work for them. They put their money into assets, things that make them more money, stocks, real estate, side hustles, even online businesses. And broke people? They're stuck in the paycheck to paycheck trap because they only buy liabilities. Want to escape the cycle? Here's your game plan. Track every dollar you spend, cut out useless expenses, start investing even if it's just $5 a day. The secret? It's not about how much you make, it's about how you use it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, follow for more, and let's build wealth together.